Hi, welcome to Team 2 Huri Content Club. My name is Nguyễn Phương Trang, is the team leader. My team has 7 members. This is Trần Đình Đức. This is Đặng Quốc Huy. This is Nguyễn Thanh Huyền. This is Phạm Huy Khánh. This is Lưu Thế Quang. This is Nguyễn Bùi Công Sơn. And me.
My name is Nguyễn Bùi Công Sơn and I'm from Hero Content Team 2.
My full name Lưu Thế Quang. I'm from Hira Content Team 2.
My name is Huyền. I am from Huri Content Team 2.
My name is Phạm Huy Khánh. I'm from Huri Content and I am Team 2.
My name is Đức. I come from Huri Content.
I am Huy. I came from Team 2.
We live in English.
Hi Khánh, how are you?
Hello, coach. I'm fine. Thank you. And you?
Wait, you say fine. You don't say five. Five is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is number. And then you say again, fine.
Fine. That's right. Fine.
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 Okay.
And
today,
how are you?
I'm doing well. And what did you do yesterday?
Yesterday I woke up at 6 a.m. and had my breakfast.
Hi, how are you today, Huyền?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm pretty good, thanks.
Do we have any homework today?
What? Can you say it again? Homework?
Homework?
Ah, okay, I got it. You mean homework, right?
Yeah, homework.
Today we have so much homework. Do you see anybody do something on the table? They're doing homework. Quickly, buddy.
So, do we have a homework today?
Yeah, we have so much homework today.
Where homework today?
What? Where? What do you mean, buddy?
Where homework?
Ah, oh, okay. There we go. Copy quickly, buddy. The hour is near.
Okay, thank you.
Hi, my name is Trang. Nice to meet you. What is your name?
Hi Chang, I'm Huy. I'm from United States. Nice to meet you. Where are you from, Chang?
I come from Vietnam.
Oh, Vietnam. I really want to travel to Vietnam someday. I have read a lot of information about food, people, culture in Vietnam, and all of this really excited with me. Can you say more things about your country for me?
Yes, okay. Vietnam has a long-lasting history with over 4,000 years. Vietnam is a tropical country rich in beauty and hospitality. Vietnamese people are intelligent, hardworking, thirsty for moving up.
I think the phonics and pronunciation not good, so I think you need to improve your English more and more. If someday I go travel to Vietnam, can you be my guide?
I'm really glad about this, but I need to improve my English.
Oh yes, I think it's a nice idea. If you need a teacher to teach you English, you can ask me. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.